morning, this is Mike Lung with your wake-up call for Monday, June 13th, and a lot of pressure falling on these markets after what looked like an impressive Sunday night open for the grains. So as of right now, you got corn that's about to change, wheat that's off its highs but still up about 8 to 10 cents, and soybeans are down about 20 cents across the board. A lot of this is due to this macro pressure that's being taken place with the Dow down about 600 points, NASDAQ's down about 330 points, S&P's down a good chunk of change as well, and the energy's down about $1.30 at one point, down $3 last night, seeing some good pressure based off of those inflation numbers that we did see on Friday, and a lot of worry about what the Fed will have to do here on Wednesday with interest rates in order to combat this inflation. We've heard a lot of talk about them needing to be aggressive in order to really bring these inflation levels down, bring them back to something that's more attainable, something that's better for the general public than what we're currently seeing. But based on these CPI numbers, have not seen it yet. Current thought is a half point basis hike up to 1.5%. And we'll be seeing if that is what's taking place here Wednesday at 1 o'clock Central Time. But as of right now, a lot of people are nervous that they will have to be more aggressive, that we'll have to see some kind of recession sparked just in order to get us out of this incredible inflation level that we're at. So right now that seems to be taking hold. We will be watching weather maps, seeing what kind of precip we'll be expecting in the long-term forecast, whether it's going to continue to run hot and dry after the initial fears this year of some kind of drought coming into place, which obviously has not been fully realized by all the rain that's been falling and all the rain we've been getting here recently. But seeing how we go into maturity and into that July timeframe, especially for corn, and whether or not this rain will persist or if we do start to just dry this thing out and heat it up, is going to be a big focus here for trade moving forward. So long-term weather maps, especially as we get towards the end of the month, as we get towards that grain stocks report, is going to be absolutely huge in giving trade psychology something to really work with after these remained elevated levels for a lot of these grain prices on more of these macro news, whether it's Russia, Ukraine, whether it's continued inflation talk, things along those lines. So a lot we'll be watching, but main focus this week will be Wednesday at 1 o'clock with what's going on with the Fed decision. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call at 800-262-7538. That's 800-2-MARKET. But today for the wake-up call, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great one.